Hello friends, myself Mahendra Dubey. Today's topic is the OOPS. What is meant by OOPS? OOPS means is the object-oriented programming language. It is a method used for designing programs using classes and objects. Object-oriented programming is also called as the core of Java objects interface. Software development and maintenance by using name of concept. There are different type of concept. First is the objects, second is the class, third is the abstraction, fourth is the inheritance, fifth is the polymorphism, sixth is the encapsulation. One by one explain. The first is the objects. What is meant by objects? Objects are usually always objects are always called as an instance of a class. Objects are created from class in a Java or any other language. Objects are those that have states and behaviors. These objects always corresponding to these objects are corresponding to things found in the real worlds. The real worlds is the entities, so they are also called a runtime entity of words. Then is the second is the classes. What is meant by classes? Class are like objects constructors for creating the objects. The collection of objects is said to be a class. Classes are said to be logical quantities. Classes don't consume any space in the memory. A class's declaration consists of there are four types declaration of consist. First is the modifier, second is the class name, third is the superclass, fourth is the interface, fifth is the body. These are is the constants. These are class keyword is used to create a class, a simplify. Then second is the next is the abstraction. Abstraction means is a process which display only the information needed and hides the unnecessary information. We can say that the main purpose of abstraction is data hiding. Abstraction means selection data from a large number of data to show the information needed, which helps is reducing programming complexity and efforts. Then next is the inheritance. What is the inheritance? Is a method in which on objects accruing inheritance. Another is the objects properties and inheritance are also support hierarchicals classifications. The ideas is behind this is that we can create new classes but built on existing classes. That is when you in inherit from existing classes, we can reuse the methods and fields. uh, Parents classes inheritance is a present the parents child relationship. Then is again is a type of polymorphism. What is meant by polymorphism? This refers to many forms, or it is a process that is performed a single action in a different way. It's occurs when we have the many classes related to each other by inheritance. Polymorphism is the two different types. First is the two different types, that is the compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Then next is the last one is the encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the one of the concept in OOPS concept. It is the process that is the binds together the data and code in a single units and keep keep the both from being the safe from outside the interface and misuse in this process. The data hidden from other classes and can be accessed only through the current classes method. Hence it is the also known as data hiding. Thank you all of you.